Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the phone so the OTA can run without interruption. Make sure battery is at least 50% or plug into power. Unstable power will abort the install. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and turn off any VPN or battery saver that could block downloads. Once done, free about 2 gigabytes of storage and back up important data. Now go to Settings, Right Arrow System, Right Arrow, Advanced Right Arrow System Updates, and tap Check for Update to begin the download. After the update package downloads, verify the file finished and the Install button is available. Partial downloads will fail. Tap Install and follow prompts. The phone will prepare and reboot into update mode. Make sure the device stays connected to the charger and do not press buttons or remove power while the system flashes. Interruptions can corrupt the OS. The screen may show progress and restart several times. This is normal. Once the progress reaches 100%, let the final boot complete without interference. When the phone finishes rebooting, complete setup prompts and check settings. Right arrow about phone to confirm the new build and security patch. If the update hangs or the phone loops, power off, boot into recovery, and clear the cache partition to remove old temp files that block finalization. Make sure to retry the update over a stable Wi-Fi connection. If failures persist, re-download the package and repeat the install process. One key tip: clearing cache usually resolves boot loop or update stuck issues without wiping user data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.